So Gabby, we've got this all set, this amazing pecan tree, although we do need to find a mate for it, remember?
Because we need to cross-pollinate?
That's right.
Got it.
So, but in the meantime, I wanted to show you, the Root Quencher Jr., same kind of concept, although it's just 6 inches, and it's for the azaleas and camellias and plants like that. Has the same water output, same control valve, all that, just a smaller profile. So even in tight spaces for trees, if we were trying to get a good amount of water to a tree, you could use this. I like getting down deeper for the deeper root trees. And then the spike, I think you've seen it at Home Depot and Raccio and all kinds of places, but this taps right into the drip line with that little spike. You can control the flow here, and it also comes with that cool little 90 degree adapter that allows you to hook it into 1/4 inch drip line. So you can use it on potted plants and locate it anywhere in a drip grid that you want to with 1/4 inch line.
Wow. So these are all the different devices within Root Quencher that you can use depending on what your property needs are and what your plant needs are.
Exactly.
I love that. I think it's such a great system. Well, thank you, Rob, so much for being here today and for showing us how the Root Quencher really works and for getting down with us and planting this tree. I can't wait to see what happens with this over the next few weeks and months at that. Thank you all for tuning in. This is the Root Quencher, a cutting-edge deep root watering system that you don't want to miss out on. Make sure you get it at rootquencher.com.